right, street rod to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1936 Ford Deluxe two-door sedan street rodded. You'll also hear these called humpbacks, and that will make a little more sense when we get around to the rear of the car. Dodge Viper color. It's actually bright yellow, or I believe dandelion yellow, depending on what model your Viper, but I think they're the same paint code. 350 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Take a look at the chrome on the bumper, blacked out grille, bright work around the headlights, horn covers, and of course down the center of the grille and the side vents on the grille. Nice looking color combination and use of bright work up front. All right, still pictures. You can see the underside, interior, engine bay, storage area in the back. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on steel wheels. Ford center caps, beauty rings, wide white wall radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and again you can see this paint has a nice shine to it. Looks good. You may find a spot this here where you've had a touch up, but overall paint has a great look to it. You can see tinted glass, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. This is an all steel body too, by the way. Fenders, bodies, boards, all steel car. There you go. That makes sense why they call them humpbacks. Also has vintage AC that was installed. The AC is not cold. It will need to be at least charged. Take a look at the chrome on the rear of the car as far as the bumper, rear mounted spare. Battery's been relocated to the trunk of the storage area in the humpback part there. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. It has a Holley 4-barrel on it, HEI ignition, headers and dual exhaust, VDO gauges on the interior with a tilt column. Technician did have a few notes in this one. A little bit of valve cover, gasket seep. Driver's side glass has a crack in it. I'll show you that in a second. Brakes straight, 80% in the front, 90% in the rear remaining. And it could use a couple new front sway bar bushings. Let's take a look down this driver's side. Nice stance of this car, as you can see also. There was one spot back here I wanted to point out. Kind of a little imperfection in the paint right there, if you can see it, fine line. If you like these street rods, 36 Fords, maybe just Fords from the 30s and 40s in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You can barely see this hairline crack. It's right here. There you go. And up and down the driver's side. See, that paint also shows well. Fun car if you're local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Consigner of this car called this a sheepskin leather. To me, I get it because you got the kind of the sheepskin color to it. It's very soft. May seem a little more like a faux leather. But either way, nice looking custom interior. There's that tilt column I mentioned. Matching headliner. Some highlights running through the interior as far as color-wise, tying it to the exterior. All right, there is a couple toggle switches underneath there. The one was wiper, and that wiper right there does work. There's those VDO gauges. Sorry about that. Let's fire it up. There is a custom stereo installed in this one also, underneath the dash, antenna up here on the windshield. So good reception. We're going to go ahead and turn this down a second though. And that is a custom auto sounds setup. Alright, oil pressure's up over here. Looking good. Fuel gauge working. That was a cold start. I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Voltmeter. Windshield will still crank out. Want a little vent coming through there. A little breeze. And then of course the vintage AC controls. And that does need to be charged. We did not have it blow cold. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Sounding good, nothing too crazy for exhaust. Nice little rumble out of that small block. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I want to get at least one of these hood panels open. Check out that engine bay and stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. There's a good look at both hood panels open. We have two electric pusher fans up front. So some nice polished work done on the engine bay, of course, as far as the valve cover gas or valve covers and air cleaner cover. Headers, HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake manifold, as well as Edelbrock 4-barrel. Sorry, I believe I said there was a Holly 4-barrel on there earlier. I'm going to correct myself. That is an Edelbrock and Edelbrock intake manifold. A lot of bright work, polished work done underneath that. '36 Ford Deluxe Tudor Sedan, street rotted. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, and yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1936 Ford. This is a two-door street rod with plenty of room in the back for friends and family to come with you. Cruising or to car shows. This is an automatic with a long stick on the floor. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but we do clean our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Aftermarket steering wheel from Lecaro. That is canted slightly to the left, but that does not affect performance. The oil pressure gauge showing 60 psi, and speedometer is working. The fuel gauge showing a half of a tank. Water temperature a quarter of the way up the gauge. That looks like around 170. The volts are a little less than 12 on the gauge. Good throttle response in this car. Comfortable seating. Nice white interior with a splash of blue, kind of complementing the yellow in this car. White headliner as well. The blower motor does work in this car. There's a digital radio on the far right under the dash. Brakes smoothly. We got a little bit of traffic. Thanks to well-updated suspension, more than they had in 1936 for sure. It corners pretty flat. Bright yellow, fun 1936 Ford. Check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.